It's on. Hey, Sam. Hey,
Grandpa
Sam.
and Grandma is helping you, Gingy.
All dressed up. Let's get that arm right in the sleeve.
Nicely
The
done.
little pinky. We don't want to. That's it. There you go. We move the clothes and not the arm. That's it. I read it in the book. I did a little refresher reading so I could take better care of my Sam. Okay, now this hand, let's put it right in.
I thought it was
And
fun
don't
to
pull
hear you
on
guys
it.
singing.
Yeah. Oh, you want to sing again?
Yeah.
Did you get it on the recording?
Would you do it again?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sole le mattina, sole le mattina, din dan don, din dan don.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I know. I forgot.